the sun and the moon on his shoulders. They dream of the purity of her love, restored by new miracles of science. Still, love abides. It's clear here in the gentle touch of new lovers holding hands as ever on old park benches. Scatterdrops splat and plop and rush and ripple. Scatterdrops splat and rush and ripple. Scatterdrops splat and plop and rush and ripple. Can it be she survives pure and true, where the old Coca-Cola can is bobbing, held by green waterweed tendrils, like a speck of dirt in Dobrovich's hair? Will she still sing her heart-softening song for us if we dare let our lives, rivers, mingle in Bucharest? Can we create with all our stories and memories a cleansing wave to restore this river of pure love? Oh, Bucharesti, Bucharesti, where is your Dambaviccia? Do you still keep her alive despite hearts of stone and stories that shock? Does love's river still flow like magic from a rock between your concrete banks that imprison her? Scatterdrops splat and plop and rush and ripple. Scatterdrops splat and plop and rush and ripple. Scatterdrops splat and plop and rush and ripple.
Rip off your clothes and throw them in the air. Burn in a pot the longest hair you can find on a bald man's head. From its ashes, make the thinnest thread knitted by a spider. Dance on it naked under the moonlight to make it even lighter. Tie it to the tail of a black cat. Make sure it's not a biter. Tie it tighter. Throw the cat in the sky. It will grab the moon with its claws. You can trust those. Now you are safely connected to heaven. Count to 7. Then, holding the end of the thread very tight, jump into the night. Jump inside yourself like a jump in a well. As you fall, cast a spell. It might be a lullaby or a chant that you know from a dream. You fall into a stream of your memories, trauma, hope, and despair. Fill your lungs with air and dive in. Don't let go of the magic thread, no matter how thin. Have no fear. You can touch the bottom with your feet. There is mud, but there are also treasures beneath. Look, there's an old fairy tale book, a game of chess floating, black bishop and queen, some old cartoon flickering on a broken TV screen, all black and white. My grandmother's glasses, reflecting a lonely ray of light.